Hey, Tech Explorer, let me ask you something. Have you ever had a million tabs open, a video rendering in the background, and a game running all at once, yet somehow your computer doesn't throw a tantrum? Well, the secret behind this sorcery is hyperthreading. Let me blow your mind with how it works. Imagine you're at a pizza shop. There's one chef making pizzas and orders keep piling up. Without hyperthreading, that chef can only work on one pizza at a time, boring and slow. But with hyperthreading, the chef doesn't just get faster, they somehow grow a second pair of hands. Now they're stretching dough with one pair while topping pizzas with the other. Boom. Twice the productivity. Hyperthreading works the same way. It's a technology from Intel that lets one processor core act like two. Instead of doing one task at a time, it splits its workload into smaller pieces and tackles them simultaneously. Cool, right? Let's break it down with a real-world example. Say you're editing a 4K video while blasting your favorite playlist. Without hyperthreading, your CPU is like a stressed-out librarian, switching between helping you edit and keeping the music running. But with hyperthreading, it's like hiring an assistant librarian who keeps the music smooth while you focus on editing. No lag, no delays, just buttery performance. Here's where hyperthreading becomes a superhero. Let's say you're crushing your opponents in a battle royale and live streaming to your fans. Without hyperthreading, your computer might stutter like it's gasping for air, but with hyperthreading, smooth gameplay, perfect streams, and no rage quitting. Rendering 3D models, editing videos, or running simulations. Hyperthreading ensures your computer doesn't choke on these massive tasks. Even simple stuff like video calls while running a spreadsheet and browsing memes benefits from hyperthreading. Your CPU splits the work and handles it like a pro. Now let me clear something up. It's not magic. Hyperthreading doesn't double your processor's power. It just uses its resources more efficiently. Think of it as the difference between driving one car fast versus two people riding bikes side by side. Still impressive, but don't expect your CPU to lift weights like a bodybuilder just because of hyperthreading. Because in today's fast-paced world, time is everything. Hyperthreading makes your computer handle multiple demanding tasks at once without breaking a sweat. That's the difference between waiting hours for a video to render and getting it done in half the time. It's like giving your PC a high-octane boost. So, the next time you see hyperthreading on a spec sheet, know you're getting a processor that can juggle tasks like a circus performer, efficient, powerful, and ready to handle anything you throw at it.